waze wanama excuse bafethu coach hayibo angaka lo muntu usevele usepreparela khona bafethu ukuthi uma engawini lutho this season domestically abe ne excuse befethu azoyisho uKhadoso bafethu laphana uzwakale ethi iSundowns was targeted unfairly waswabala nama yellow card bafethu ukuthi ibona bathole 53 wama yellow card then iPirates yathola 28 wama red card yabo ayibo ama yellow card then uthi bona we had 4 red card Pirates 0 mina ngiunderstand bafethu ukuba aggressive kweSundowns kusukuthini kulama card athi bawatholile mangaka bebewa deserve ngoba bebewa deserve futhi mhlambe wonke hayi ngeke yabona into eshiwo yilo coach nje bafethu lo muntu useqalile unama excuse yabona la ma excuse lawo yiwo lawa azokwenza ukuthi impela siyithele induku impela leSundowns yiwo azokwenza ukuthi lokhu siyiphuca yonke into domestically mina ngiyazi lento lena hayi wazwana ama excuse ucoach bafethu but ke siyazi ukuthi lama fans eSundowns azoshesha ibhayini lento ngoba usethenga isikhathi ukuthi uma engadeliver athi uyatargetwa angazoganga abekho abantu ababenefit ebafethu in South African football njengemamelodi Sundowns in the past 10 years ngisho ngathi imadlanga commission mhlawumbe ngasala no2 noma no3 wala maliga u8 abawathatha kulandelana ayangayisho nje lento bafethu uKhadoso mina yangicasula nje uthashwe lento mangaka kade bewa deserve kulawa u53 iPirates kulawa 28 mangaka bewa deserve sizoyitholela ni red card ngoba kuthina akekho umuntu uthina ohlabayo thina dlala ibhola thina